Hey there, I'm Aaron Morin, lead educator here at Thinkific, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Thinkific to grow your business through online education, just like thousands of experts, entrepreneurs, authors, speakers, trainers, coaches, nonprofits, technology companies, and educators already do. Whew. With Thinkific, you can build your own website where you can create, market, sell, and deliver online courses to your customers. Let's look at an example. Now, before we begin, keep in mind that you can speed up this video or slow it down, read captions, and skip around on the play bar below. Alright, let's get started. This is what we call your site landing page. If you have 2 or more online courses published on your Thinkific website, visitors will see this page first. Each of these course cards down here represents a published product that a visitor can learn more about. This course looks good. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is a different landing page solely for the online course I just clicked on. If I had only one product published, Thinkific would have just redirected me to this product's landing page. One less click in the funnel. And always keep in mind as we go that you can design pages on your Thinkific course site any way you need to. You have total control here. Alright, when a lead is ready to purchase, they'll sign up for a student account on your Thinkific website. This account keeps track of their personal information and their progress in any product they enroll in. Once they have an account, they'll typically pay at a checkout right on your own Thinkific website. But you can redirect to external checkouts if you need to. After payment is processed, a new student will see a thank you page. This page is simple in this example, but you can add upsells, videos, and add this page to an analytics funnel to track conversions. This student is now enrolled in this course and can start accessing its content in a secured course player. In the course player, students can watch, read, listen, and interact with your lessons. Selecting the next button down here confirms a student has completed the lesson. They'll see what they've accomplished so far and are encouraged to continue. In the Achievements and Progress tab, your students can view where they're at and when they started the course. Optionally, you can include a discussion forum in each of your courses where students can talk about the course content or ask questions. And students can leave reviews that you can add to your course's landing page afterwards. Now, we know the overhead of supporting your customers can get a little crazy, so we made Thinkific as self-serve as possible to save you and your students time. Students can track their own progress and get back to lessons easily from their student dashboard. And they can change their student account's details, change their password, access any certifications they've earned, manage their credit card info, and see past orders to get receipts all on their own. Pretty great, right? Alright, let's take a look at the back end of a Thinkific website. Look at all that demo money. As you can see, Thinkific keeps track of all your course website's vitals right here for you in your site admin dashboard. Okay, let's start making some magic here. We're gonna go create an online course by heading to My Courses. We can see those existing products that you saw on my example site landing page earlier here. I could jump in and edit those, but I'll make a new course by clicking here instead. Now let's name the course something really original. Don't worry, you can change anything after creating, saving, or publishing in Thinkific because you know, we all make mistakes and bad jokes, right? Right? You'll notice we've entered a different part of the Thinkific backend here. This is the course builder, and you can use it to design and develop your online courses before publishing them. We're in the curriculum tab right now, but we'll come back here later. For now, to make things quick and easy for myself, I'm going to bulk import my course content that's already ready to go. Let's see here. Where did I put it all? There it is. I've got a video, a PDF, and an audio file. And just like that, Thinkific has processed these files into lessons for Chapter 1 of my online course. Let's add another chapter and drop in more content. Each of these chapters contains as many lessons as you need, and you can change the order of your lessons or chapters by dragging and dropping them. Piece of cake. Let's head back to the curriculum tab. You can see that when I click on one of these lessons, I have some more options to choose from. I can make this lesson a part of a free trial of my course, unpublish it by setting it to draft, or make it downloadable or autoplay in the course player. Most of these options exist for each lesson type in Thinkific. And as you can see, video, PDF, and audio lessons aren't the only ways to teach. Let's add a quick pop quiz to help reinforce my students' learning. I'll write out my question, add some answers, and then change my question type. Great! Now, I could add as many questions as I wanted, but that should do it for now. I can also make this quiz graded, or if I had a bunch of questions, only have the quiz show a few questions from a question bank each time it loads, so each assessment is unique. Now that I have a full curriculum, it's time to work on our landing page for this course. Moving on to the Page Builder tab in the Course Builder, you can see here that each section in the right-hand menu corresponds to a part of the page in the preview pane to the left. I can customize this page by adding a section, reordering a section, and by editing the design and content for each of these sections. The preview reloads automatically to the latest version. And if I don't want a section here, I can delete it. It's that easy. Great, that's looking good now. I can always come back here and edit this later. Now let's take a look at some other course settings. With Thinkific, you have complete control over your online courses. That includes if you only want to enroll certain students in your course, or if your course is visible to new visitors on your Thinkific website. As well, you can offer automatically expiring or perpetual certificates of completion for any of your courses, which is a huge completion rate booster. Now, when a student enrolls in my course, they'll get access to all of the content at once. I don't want to overwhelm them with that much content, so what I'm going to do is add a drip schedule. I can drip out content over time, starting from a student's enrollment date or a specific date. This means I could deliver my first chapter right away and then deliver the second chapter a week later. Finally, let's give this course a price and publish it. Hey, we're almost done building this course already. Now, you can always leave your courses to be free, but when you integrate with a supported payment processor like Stripe or PayPal, you can price your course a number of ways. First, one-time fees can be set to charge your students once for the course. You can optionally limit the enrollment period as well. I'll price this course at $100 for 3 months of access, for example. Now, I could also set a subscription price for recurring charges for continued access to the course's contents. With these prices, canceling a payment restricts access to the lessons. Or I can set up a payment plan, which is like a subscription price, but it will stop charging my customers after a specific number of payments and keep their enrollment in the course active. And I can even have all 3 payment methods for my course available all at once and all displayed on my landing page. Now, all that's left here is to publish my course. I'll preview my site, et voila! There's my new course listed beside my other published products. Naturally, we want to sell our course now, so let's go take a look at some of the best features in Thinkific that will help you do just that. First, we have a few courses already here, so we can start to offer a package deal called a course bundle. Bundles are a great way to enroll a student in multiple courses from one transaction. Bundles get their own landing pages, course cards, and checkouts just like courses do. You can use them to turn your a la carte offerings into a membership site, for example. As well, temporary promotional pricing is a great way to sell more courses, especially when you're launching a new Thinkific course site. Coupons allow you to set up codes that buyers can use at the checkout to get a sale price or a special deal, like the first month half off for my membership bundle, for example. Now, we're not always looking for new customers. We want to upsell to our existing customers or re-engage lost prospects as well. From the users page, you can segment your students to find opportunities for promotional outreach. For example, if I filter my users to show me all of my free trial leads that haven't purchased yet, I can send them all an email right from my Thinkific course site with some targeted messaging and a coupon code to help change their minds about buying my course. You can apply all kinds of filters to the table in order to gather other insights from your users as well. And then you can bookmark them for later use. And students aren't the only user types in Thinkific. You can create new users for each member of your team. Course admins can help you manage your courses without getting into all the other site settings, for example. And if you're sharing revenue with other instructors, you can create product payees to share a percentage of the revenue from individual courses they've contributed to. You can even run your own affiliate network right from your Thinkific website. Encourage referrals for your courses from partners and from your students by sharing a percentage of or a flat amount of revenue from each resulting sale. Now, we know you need total control over your course site if it's going to be a crucial part of your online business. So we've made some powerful features to make your Thinkific website your own. For example, you can set your own branding colors, add your own logo, and white label your Thinkific website to keep branding consistent and comprehensive. And on top of that, you can add your own custom domain to serve your Thinkific course site from an existing website, or use it as your main web property. Your video content uploaded to Thinkific can also be branded. You can easily recolor the course player, add captions, and custom thumbnails, or gather insights from video viewing to help you make better content in the future. And these videos aren't limited to your course player either. By adding additional pages to your Thinkific website, you can host webinar replays, video testimonials, video series, and more right from your Thinkific website. Visitors can access these pages from custom links in your site header, or you can keep them private. And on top of all that, we integrate directly with industry-leading marketing, analytics, and e-commerce services so that you don't have to ditch the tools you love. Now don't worry, that excitement you're feeling right now, that's totally normal. This is a lot to take in, I get it, but there's even more to a Thinkific course site than I've shown you here. So, if you want to explore everything I've shown you and more, click below to get started. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching.